Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Yeah, this correction is really getting very long. However, we haven't even reached the golden ratio, the 61.8 fib retracement. The current assumption is still that this can be counted as a wave 1 impulse within larger degree third wave, okay? And that we're now in this ABC correction flat pattern in which the B wave was an overshooting B wave, and we're coming down in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, this third wave needs to sit here. Fourth wave to the upside peaked on the 2nd of June. Yeah, and we're now coming down in this fifth wave. Next support, as mentioned in the previous videos, 1907, which is the golden ratio. Currently, I have no indication that a low has been made for gold. Okay, so this can still drop further. We have a possible trend channel here. You could even call it maybe a descending wedge, which might also add to the idea that some support will be found here, just below 1907 maybe. So at the moment I can still count that as a correction, no problem. But if price breaks below the 78.6 retracement, which is at 1865, I think we're looking for something more bearish here and would have to assume that price topped in 3 waves. Basically, this would turn into an ABC structure with a move down, but the move down looks very correct if we have overlapping price action, which is why I see this currently as a wave 2. Okay, but what we need to do, we need to move that support area to the right hand side. So we are now approaching the levels where really decisions need to be made. You might have heard the dog in the background just now. But you know, obviously, I think this is now going to give us another low. It came down to deep anyway. This was only a 3-wave rally anyway. So next support will be 1907, then the trend channel, and then 1865. Below 1865, things are going to get difficult. I'm just wondering, can we actually draw a smaller trend channel here as well? Maybe it's not that clear. I'll take that out again. But I think we have some divergences that are building. Yeah, looking at the 4-hour chart, you know, if this is going to give us a new low price-wise, the RSI might give us a higher low. So that might lead to a turnaround. So we start to see some divergences build. Daily chart, not really. Yeah, I mean, it is a divergence here, but it's not significant. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Here we also start to see that divergence develop. If it makes another low, it might not come down that far on the RSI again, but is nearly oversold again. So it's going to be interesting. Now we're getting now to a point where a turnaround needs to happen, or we are morphing into a more bearish scenario. Always be aware, even though we're tracking the bullish scenario, we need to have some evidence that price is bottomed. Until we have that evidence, we can't really say a third wave rally has started. It's very early days, right? So, but if this is moving up, it is an opportunity that I just find is too good to be missed, because we would really rally in the heart of a third wave, and that could take us to the $2,500 region, and then we just need to take it from there. I think that's sort of everything for now. Obviously on the daily RSI, the price still has a bit more space to drop. Here on the 23rd of Feb, when we bottomed here, in this green support area, we were oversold on the daily. We're getting there again, so a larger bounce is due at some point. We had a similar RSI value around September, so this is highly interesting. Price is still above that February high, and if the RSI is getting closer, this would be very bullish. Similar situation we had on the Bitcoin chart a week ago or so. So yeah, this is all getting interesting. Maybe one more, just zoomed out, taking a look at the bigger picture. My view is that a larger degree fourth wave bottomed in 2015, and we're now in this larger fifth wave. And if we really are already in this fifth wave, then we are in the fifth wave of a fifth wave. And would with this spike, with this next all-time high, is it actually? Yeah, I think it's an all-time high. With this next all-time high, if we get it, price would reach the $2,500 region likely. And if I zoom out a little bit more, you can see that this would be the end of a larger cycle. And this is, well, this could lead to quite a bit of a drop afterwards. But for now, probably for the remainder of the year and maybe into next year, we should see some further upside. But I will make you aware when things are going to get difficult. Okay, that's my update about gold. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.